Hello guys, today we are getting kicked out of the apartment because as some of you might know, I am in Rome with my family and my mom has absolutely forbidden me to do the next project indoor, understandably. So we are just gonna go and move inside our garage. What is the cheapest construction material that there is right now?
Concrete!
What is the coolest construction material that there is right now?
Concrete!
What are we gonna do our coffee tables in today?
Concrete! What we're gonna do is transform an old towel and some concrete in this awesome ghost table. That's the best definition I can give. We're not gonna make it transparent, but with the same super cool hanging effect. What we have to do is mix the concrete till it becomes something like a liquidy oatmeal. Extra materials that you need is 2 buckets, a towel, plastic bag, scissors, marker, and some carton. Let's start. First, we want to put the 2 buckets one on top of each other, so to make enough height. And then we are going to place the towel on top of it and start measuring it so that the feet arrive all the way to the ground. We don't want it to be so full, so the best thing is if you take a marker, mark where the feet arrive and touch on both corners. And after that, you can go ahead, take it out, and cut it away. One side. And the other side. I am super sorry for you guys, but this is the moment that the things get dirty. You have to get your towel and dip it in the concrete that we prepared before. You're gonna have to twirl it several times till it absorbs the entire amount that you prepared so that there's no part of the towel that stays dry. After that, you're gonna have to make a circle of the same size of your bucket. I took the shape simply pushing it on top of the bucket so it leaves the mark and then drawing around it with a marker. This, you're gonna place it on top of the bucket so that there is no hole where the towel can fall inside. And then we go and place our towel on top of it. You're gonna have to move it till you have all the 4 feet touching the floor. This is super important, otherwise you're gonna have zero stability. And once you have it, go around and draw it till you have all the folds in the places that you like the best.
Two days and several showers later, this is finally completely dry. Actually, not even completely. It could dry even for one more day, but we can start working with it.
This is actually the most delicate phase of the entire project. You want to take out your table without breaking it or cracking the concrete. So you're going to have to shake it from side to side and be very careful not to break the legs, the feet, or anything in the process of taking it out. Once you have it, just pull it out, place it, and take some sanding paper. We're gonna have to scrape it till we make it as smooth as possible. Investing 2 extra minutes in making it more smooth and watery and mixing it way more is gonna save you so much time after. If you didn't do it enough, in any case, you're gonna have to sand it out. And then let's go on with some painting. You can choose whatever color you want. I wanted very neutral, and actually, because we're close to Halloween, to make it white, even more ghosty effect.
We're now gonna let the table dry again for 2-3 hours before bringing it inside the apartment. But before the reveal, I really wanna talk about 2 things that I would have done differently if I knew. Step 1, use gloves. I have been spamming all of you on Instagram complaining about the conditions of my hand. You need gloves, your skin is gonna be ripping off. Number 2, spend some time making the concrete as smooth as possible, because if it's super soft and smooth, it's not gonna leave so much texture on the table. If you don't, the time that you have to invest in scraping off with the sandpaper the concrete is infinite. So just lose some time before, and now let's go see the table.
Guys, another episode is over. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to let me know what you think about this one, and don't forget to sign up, because about so much concrete, we have so many new projects coming on their way.